Kasi talagang hindi ko hinahanap yan. It's not my form and it's not my business.
Okay, Kuya, tama. That's the standard processing as to the interagency application. But we have to review what is the essence of one-stop shop for the ease of doing business. In one-stop shop, why we are issuing zoning application form? Pwede obo usubang to the zoning form. Di ba? Yung one-stop shop, mapag zoning na. Oh. So, on the 2018, kaya nga accessible mga forms, kumbaga yung na unit na in a one-stop shop or documents needed for the application, ito doon may one-stop shop. Okay? We need our organization, may namin. So, we are basing on the guidelines of the ease of doing business. Ito temot lang.
Since the presence, nandito yung presence ng clinic siguro, so siguro i-request na natin sa kanila na every OVO office, magbibigay na sila ng ganyan para yun na yung gagawin natin.
Yes. Kami din bigyan ng tila declaration, sabi niya, the ease of doing business. You give the forms, para yung lalapit sa iyo, dyan na lahat. Tama naman doon sa zoning application because that is a part of LGU concern. Tama naman na if you have that, pupunta lang sa upo, dyan na lahat. Sa INE, papayag ba kayo na yung mga forms nyo kukunin namin? Para kami na yung mag-distribute pag may lalapit. Gagawin ko yan.
Okay, with that, engineer, hindi naman kayo yung nagpo-process ng building permit. Balikan natin yung situation na sinabi mo. Kung kayo ang nangangailangan, di ba? Anong kailangan nyo sa pag-apply ng INEC connection? CFPI, electrical permit form, etc. Kung gano'n, dapat kayo lang mag-process. Di ba? So, the stand only on the GMC is the easy access of those documents, pertinent documents.
Doon po ako nanggagaling. Kaya sabi ko, bibigyan nyo kami ng form, kayo naman yung process eh. Would you like to have it like that? Kasi yung pagka-connection kasi ng electrical, ang punto ng mga tao, lalapit kahit po na hindi yung kaya LGU. Pero ang sinasabi namin, ito yung mga kailangan namin, you will going to get that form sa LGU nyo, ganito. Na hindi namin kailangan, sige, lumapit ka na sa amin, bibigyan na rin yung form, although yung processing naman para sa inyo. Para the other way around, gusto nyo kunin yung form namin, kayo lang magbibigay sa kanila.
Hindi sa akin sila, based on guidelines ko. Yun pong nakasad ko.
Iyon nga po, pag sinusundan natin yung guidelines, at gusto natin yung makatawag, hindi na mahirapan. Bibigyan nyo kami din yung mga words para pag nalapit na sa amin, kami na rin yung magbibigyan. Pagsusundin natin yung guidelines.
Pero sa hindi magpaprocess.
Oo, dahil hindi naman namin ito process yun.
It's the other way around.
Suggestion, kasi I observed that yung sa electrical, yung mismong electrical engineer or yung master, yung pumipirma, sila in charge, sila ang nagbibigay sa kliyente nila ng form ng INEC. Kaya nga hindi ko alam kung ano dapat. So, that is my observation.
I'm proposing na optional na yan eh. Kasi it's not within our organization, it is not within our jurisdiction, and it's a form from other agency which is not connected with the LGU. So hindi siya parte ng one-stop shop. Kasi ang pag-aaral ko ng one-stop shop is within the organization that handles the business. So optional sana yan. Ang may proposal in my opinion. Basta ma-reject pa. For example, siguro, ni DFP board, meron silang office kung saan makunin yung official. At kung lalagyan ng INEC ng control number yun, hindi pwede kung sino-sino magbibigan. So yun ay, opinion ko na, point of discussion. Nangailangan ng press na ng Mike.
Thank you. Thank you for those observations and suggestions. But let us not forget that we have our own citizens charter. In our citizens charter, sa LGU na lang, meron tayong approved citizens charter. Although we are given the opportunity to amend our citizens charter. That's why with this issuance, we are going to include this in our citizens charter as one of the requirement, as one of the forms coming from our office, the office of the building official. So, yung suggestion ni Kuya Rafi, ni advisor, sumati wala na. We are only concerned about what is mandated in our organization, in the LGU. We have our citizens charter in our respective LGU. Ngayon din sa INEC, meron din sila ng citizens charter. Sa BNP meron din sila, and other agencies. But anyway, there's no awanti makaipapit when you introduce that to be part of the amendments of their citizen charter, because we are charged to do we are charged to amend our citizen charter for the inclusion of these new issuances. Isungay ba kayo to, NGO tayo, nga with the issuance of this JNC 001 2026, may raman to that yan. Because in the magna, in the, what do you call that, ARTA, we are mandated to re-engineer regularly our citizen charter. Nasa ano yan? Nasa RA 11032, which is the ARTA. So, siguro, nabigdas the presentation ni Engineer Richard as to the flow of the process. And the living forum tiginig mo ay wala ni Engineer Rafi, we are not obliged, not mandated to include the form of email. But the objective of Engineer Richard, okay, but guys, the flow of process ket malahas na nakamasulutan ni kliyente o ni aplikant. So, yun siguro ang natin pwede natin gawin. The inclusion of the form of PNEC is optional. Depende, tingnan na yun. But as to the boundary of our jurisdiction, hindi tayo obligado na maglagay ng form ng INEC sa ating requirements sa LGU or other agencies at that. So that's the point of your humble representation.
Okay, thank you very much, Apo Press. Okay, so what is the call of the body with respect to the forms of INEC. With the background of this action of the City of Bataan, hanimot nga ini-implementan na to without the official meeting with the directors or the zone manager within that area. As well as the mandates is just to issue the forms in a one-time securing of pertinent application form of a respective application. So, with that, we observe that it practically efficient to the constituents in the city of Bataan because that scenario is parang nagsubli-subli ni applicant to the person involved in the affixing signature of the application. Actually, if we see or we check the other LGUs, the water distribution utilities also, they also include in their application or set of application forms for DEC accessibility. That's the essence of ease of doing business. So, what if the core of the body, if we make it optional, so be it. Okay lang ganyan mo ba?
So siguro, Bibi, the tendencies are checking no, they are readily available, no mabalik na naman ito pero 20 forms na ron mga ikat na opisina tayo. But to the extent na anong action tayo, mas pagalitan. J-forms bagat, as I read, duly accomplished application. Kompleto, diba, sa tayo ito na aksyonan ba na kompleto maligay? Or just a mere form lang, at that. So kasamang, stand tayo. Oo. Tayo ba na kompleto nga napirmaan DJ na formal? Sa tatlo, iso di basis tayo to make actions or okay lang ba nga at the DJ form nung repairhan na pirmaan? Ano yung gagawin natin? Kasi parang another mere requirements for them also eh. Pero in fact, hindi naman pa natin jurisdiction. Yun ang punto ko. Bakit i-accomplish nila yan? Eh, si Irek, may kailangan. Ang sa atin lang, okay na sa atin siguro, mere form. O, nandiyan yung form. Kasi, hindi naman ako yung mag-action taken yan, finally. Just a mere form. Eh, na ako, sinurata ang latal, o rin pa yung mga pirumana, mabalik ma-actionan. Kasi yung form lang naman eh. Di ba? Ure ang action taken na. So siguro ure form na din ang sinuratan, I could take action. Di ba? So it's still useless yung form.
Actually, the application for membership it's a disconnection na binibigay namin. Mayroong situation doon na kailangan mag-assign na kami ng account number. So which is which? Hindi pa kami dapat mag-assign ng account number kasi pag ginanan namin lock na yung account number na yun sa kanya na. Eh hindi namin alam kung matutuloy yung application nyo, hindi. So that parang kasi it should be step by step eh.
Okay, with that situation, nasalusog ko din data ako din kasi makikita mo nga the code or account code ng application. So pat ini niya po general manager din ako Il Castillo. That account code is internal account code of the processing of the application. Now, the application of membership of INEC, kami na po, makita yun, if you notice within your jurisdiction, at dati kita mag-aprobaran ni CFEI na, or building permit na, or occupancy na ready applicant na may pan-media electrical form is not the same with the issued CFEI. At ang dyan po ng haan na estimate pan, kung mo at problema or at the concern iti obo or any inspection to reissue any inspection report, hindi masarakan niya tao is because hindi identified in the roster of document and the records sa bali nag-apply. Mamangyari na ako, kasi pwede kang Juan de la Cruz in-approvaran CFPI na yung mapaging application pinapinag, sir, mabalik natin, balasan ko lang tamay na ganun. That's the reality, di ba? Now, if here comes na at the problema the application or applicant need for a certification from OBO, if it is that disconnection or reconnection with the certification, sa punong ginagan na yung tao, awan in the database. Okay? So that's one thing of the accessibility and monitoring of those applicants. Stop lang dyan. Nag-dyan pa po. So, hindi dyan na na-preserve hindi init mo dyan na sa lason. Yung tanda lakan hindi coordination and correction. So be it naag-value man the applicant, but still, anak ko sino ba tinisyon ng CFEI? Kaya ba applicant, puno tayo siya member, hindi init. The applicant itself. Di CFEI na isang legal basis na yung mga itapan ni kuryente, yung inaprobaran ng CFEI ako.
So, makibiyaran mo rin siya
Open.
Okay. DJ naman nag-apply, pa-approvaran ng final electrical inspection ni Balay. Itatanong may kami. Well, mabalik talaga na process na dahil sila nakainagan na talaga dito sa kapanan na ibigin. Then, application na. Application. But then, adaptive process nila pinmarawa ko majibalay and then dahil kagyana ng kapsat ko umay jay pisina nadalakit ko lang inabit ni dati na nakanagan mabalin nga ako marami yung sumatagad din. Would that result to nullify the CFTI that you issued?
That will result.
That you have issued? Kasi parang ang ano mo is it's not anymore the person na nag-apply ni CFEI ang isip nakanagan ni member consumer at is there an update when the violation ba nangyari?
Ano sir?
DJ ba certificate of final electrical inspection kumbaga naka-invent ka DJ electrical permit na naman yung inapproval?
Kadikita ko.
Well, kadikita sa ako. What about dilitay tatong mga establishment like dilitay kung mga value kagyan try kita value na di membership name na kami di ka awan sa service CFEI sa asyan.
That's the problem we resolved in Mata before. Example, nagbibigay ni names. Hindi tayo permanent diyan na gano'ng establishment. Kaya-apply ni siya renta. Bigla na pinmanaw niya renta, sino habulan ni Apo ina kita kay balance na. Yan ang renta na i-apply, uno na yung building owner itself. So, that's the time na na-realize me na the only person who can apply for an electrical permit application is the one who have the juridical owner of the structure. Kasi kung pinmanaw niya renta, sasakuran tayo pagkawan na ni building owner at nasalitan na rental. So, obligasyon ni building owner kada din pinagparenta na ito at hindi na bayaran at the balance at his own risk or own obligation ni building owner. So, dahil hindi na modify na ipastake.
Bali concern nyo ba about kadakabideta? When concern nyo ba din dyan na banag kareta di pa nakabayad si kuryente di naka-member or about the renting of your stores? Kasi yung kami, ang namin DJ kontrata kami na sikat na kanagan. Whether you are not the real person na bagbalay ka rin, amatin mabulan nila to yung kinakanagan. Awa man sa bani na pangkamatan ni, uray sikat na glanay, awat kumatot sikat na glanay, sikat kamatan ni, di dyan ta, may nagagal dyan ako.
Okay. Maybe it's any win-win solution, but as far as the OBO concerned and my jurisdiction, only person who have proper documents may apply. Oh. Tiyan na personalidad na isu timabalin nga apply in any utilities that will serve to his or her premises. Sige niya.
Matadayo tayo sana. Di ba?
Kita sa internet, open tayo.
Parang expect na tatay kay net metering pero napanditi parang as a general na electrical permitter.
Engineer, dahil po gabi, actually nga rin, takot kaya na tayo engineer pagluta, pero response. Other than nag-iimbita lang tayo ngayon, ang itawag dito di management ni, or damagon minto, kung so, very proud tayo, at sumbang,
Nasaya na
klaro. Oh, outright, hindi kaya kita nung
Makadesi ko lang yung five. Ilan ng 2-5. I would like to react on the sama-sama ni Anagan, di ba? What we are applying, and may nag-apply to may sa mga tao, it's the structure. It's apply lang, di ba? Nga ang na-DJ Anagan mo, hindi na kay Pandijay, sinot maging honor, pero what is being applied for, a building permit, an electrical permit, as sanitary, is the building or the structure, di ba? So, yung De La Cruz building, bali na. Electrical, all ancillary permits, bali na. And then naman yan hihigay. Dapat nag-apply 72 years old, 80 years old. So, naging natin si building. Kung nag-inek, ano mabalik ka senior, kasi at the time mas evening, sir. So, sa bali ka ipanalandan na senior citizen. So, it's up to INEC. So, in that case, it's up to INEC to make a form or any affidavit or waiver nga magpapirma ka DJ applicant hano isugal imang pasublikan ni applicant ikan sublit na pasukatan ni DCFEI when kay OBO you go back to the OBO, you go back para papalitang DJ Nagan, DJ Electrical and CFEI. No, it should be the INEC to make a waiver, affidavit or whatever nga mapisukat the DJ Nagan, DJ applicant da. Di ba nga siya gumagawa? So, it's their jurisdiction din. So, hindi mabali yung susukatan ni Nagan ni CFEI and the electrical. So, ano din yung ikaw kayo, i-akit sa lata.
Okay, citing an actual situation or scenario happened in Batak. Example, engineer time, nagan engineer mo di application, building, nagan engineer, application electrical, nagan engineer. Here comes, nagabot engineer. Kaya ni Teddy kinasalita na whatever agreement na insuk na inagan dyan, kuryente. Okay. Oh, kasi in-record na, siya kuman, inagan ako. Here comes ni Engineer Pablo, knowingly, na nagangabukod yung structure, nagangabukod na tagigwa. Claim ko man ni Presswood na dapat na din building. Here comes, nag-complain engineer, apay na rinagan ni kasting nga tao, without any documents na si papalubos kami. Building official, paputol mo dyan, kuryente. Siyempre, i-check ko dyan record. This is really happened, engineer. Bata. Paputol mo kay kuryente engineer kung ni one of the heirs of owner the property. Oh, paputol mo muna. I-check ko record ko. Awan din nga tao na pinalubusan ni engineer. Hindi makikita na record is ni engineer. So, anak ti legal basis kunta nga magpaputol kung awan mo iti documents na nisabit kanya nga pagpalubusan ni engineer nga ni other name iti may apply ti service. So, kung nakagat tayo na kinagsasalita mo na nakamatag ni building office.
Yes sir, nasa hukom. So nga, aming nga legal rights to the kamtimang kita kaya kadang paputo, it should be the chain na kanagan or account name, imabalik na mga paputo, mga pa-disconnect or mga pa-reconnect or any alteration na DJ correction da. Isu nga no, ang transfer of name at dapat di tayo paramidin ng affidavit duly signed by notary public at kung may dokumento ni. So nga, it never be a problem on our part. But those are just problems na na-encounter ni tinaglabas. But ang dumamit tadalang lapses, but it could be corrected. Pero dahil yung pagsasalitaan tayo tatalan na kapatid, what is CFEI? Is it DDJ ba? Naka-incorporate DJ? Nag-apply mo yung DJ pintintinig kanyang certificate of final electrical inspection.
Isumbat ko yung niya kung CFEI, anak ti legal mandates kung nga-apay kung magdadak ti CFEI kada yung tanong no di nag-apply iti building permit. So CFEI is one part of the components of the applied permit. So kada iti juridical entity na or ownership na with all the pertinent applications. So nakikuha kami. All documents. Mabalik nga rin na ni other person dyan, may nagang kada yung plumbing approval. So, we have to go with the foundation of the basic requirements why isuna iti na-issuean iti permit. Specifically, CFEI. O, alam nga sa pali-issuean na tinagal niya CFEI, hindi niya yung building applicant. O, di ba? So, meaning to say, isuna iti naka-invent the property rights of the structures and applications. Dili that is something. Okay.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. You explained it well. Thank you very much. At back to the form. Kung malamang kayo nga dito form kayo, isang kusaran na kayo. To have a uniform form for net metering. At dito papalo kayo man. Ayan. Kasi draft ito at make the solution and a common solution for this issue. And